Welcome to Digital Purchase Order. This is a quick introduction on how to track deliveries. At DPO, you can not only create and approve purchase orders, but also track the receiving of purchased items. This allows you to monitor whether your order has been fully delivered or whether items are still missing. To activate this feature, please visit the Settings section and select the Users tab. Here, you can edit the profiles of users who should be able to track deliveries by ticking the checkbox, "Can add delivery." If you would also like users to edit received items afterwards, please tick the checkbox below as well. Once this is done, go to the View section and open the purchase order for which you would like to record a delivery. Click the small package icon on the right-hand side. In the pop-up window, you can enter the order or delivery number, the delivery date, and the quantity of items received. If you do not enter the full quantity of requested items from the PO, the system will automatically recognize the receiving as partially delivered. Once all remaining items have been received, DPO will automatically update the status to fully delivered. If you have permission to edit delivery entries, simply open the purchase order and select the corresponding delivery item. You will then see an eye icon to open the delivery details. At the bottom of the page, click Edit Delivery. From there, you can update the delivery information or delete the delivery entry completely. If you are using our attachment feature, you can also upload a delivery receipt here. The uploaded file will then appear as an attachment within the PO itself. This allows you to keep all relevant information in one place instead of searching through multiple systems or folders. If you have any further questions, please send us an email at support@digitalpurchaseorder.com or give us a call at +1 8883 767254. We can also arrange a demo appointment with you. Simply contact us via email and we will schedule a call